Your doctor has raised heart valve replacement. Here's a calm, clear walkthrough of what that actually means. The heart has 4 valves that act like one-way doors, keeping blood flowing in the right direction with every beat. A diseased valve may not open fully, called stenosis, or may not close properly, called regurgitation, forcing the heart to work harder. Replacement is considered when valve disease causes symptoms like breathlessness or chest pain, or when imaging shows the heart starting to weaken. Decisions are made by a heart team, cardiologists, surgeons, and imaging specialists who review your tests and overall health together. In traditional open surgery, the surgeon reaches the heart through the breastbone, while a heart-lung machine takes over circulation temporarily. TAVI delivers a new aortic valve through a blood vessel in the groin, no chest opening needed, often used for higher-risk patients. 2 valve types exist. Mechanical valves last decades, but need lifelong blood thinners. Tissue valves usually skip warfarin, but wear out over time. Choosing between them is a shared decision based on age, lifestyle, other conditions, and whether long-term warfarin is suitable for you. After open surgery, most people spend a day or 2 in ICU, then move to a cardiac ward, usually going home within about a week. Recovery unfolds over weeks: ICU, ward, home rest, and finally, cardiac rehab. The breastbone fully heals in about 2 to 3 months. Risks include bleeding, infection, irregular rhythms, and rarely stroke. Experienced centers keep these low, but no heart operation is risk-free. Cardiac rehabilitation, ongoing medication, dental care, and regular echo follow-ups help protect the new valve and support long-term recovery. Did you know? You can get this treatment abroad at the same quality you'd get in the US or Europe for a fraction of the cost. Ginger Healthcare is one of the world's most trusted medical travel companies. It helps patients to find safe and affordable care in India, Thailand, Turkey, Singapore, Dubai, Malaysia, and more. Visit ginger.healthcare or check the description for details.